Hey guys, so long time no see. Sorry, I just really have been so busy. Like busy to the point where it's not even like entertaining busy, so like my vlogs will be boring. And I just like haven't had time to sit down and film videos. I'm really sorry because I have been trying hard to stay really consistent with you guys. In my videos, I was trying to post every day of the week, but then these last like 2 weeks have been crazy busy, so sorry about that, and sorry I look like really bad right now. I'm sorry, but I figured today will be vlog worthy and tomorrow might be, I don't know. I have a couple appointments today, so I'm gonna go to those. And then, I don't know what else I'm doing tonight. I'm probably going to just have a chillax night. And I'm actually probably just going to, like, maybe clean my room. I don't know. And, like, do, like, things I've needed to get done. Like, I probably will film for next week because I have time. Because I'm officially on spring break now. So, yeah. So, I'm going to take you around today. And yeah, like I said, I'm sorry that I haven't been vlogging and stuff, but it's been hard to film videos. But I'm gonna try to, like I said, maybe film next week's video, like beauty videos today, either one or two of them today, and then probably maybe clean my room if I feel good enough to do that, because still on the struggle bus with that, and then take a shower and just have like a chill night. Maybe do like a face mask tonight, I don't know. But anyways guys, I just got out of school and now I am chillaxing. I'm excited for next week's vlogs, or maybe no, I probably won't film it in like 2 weeks. I'm gonna do 18 things, or something having to do with like either 18 things I learned, 18 or 18 things that happened when I was 18, something like that. Because if you guys don't know, my birthday is April 12th, so my birthday's coming up, so I thought that'd be a cool vlog to do. But yeah, so I'm just chilling now until I have my appointment, but I'll take you guys with me. Again, sorry I look so gross today, but your girl's not putting on any makeup today because my eczema is kind of acting up on my face, if you can see, and I don't want to put like any makeup on at all, and my eyes are kind of burning today, so I just like don't want to put on makeup since I'm having some issues. But anyways guys, I'll see you when whenever I'm at next. Hey guys, so I just got done with my eyebrow appointment. I had an appointment before this, and then I drove, but I forgot to vlog and say where I was at. But then I came to my eyebrow appointment and got my eyebrows done, because it's about time I got my brows done. I love how she did it. Like, Kate slays my eyebrows. Like, shout out to Kate if you're watching my videos. You literally slay. And now I'm off to get my nails done because yeah, this is a situation right here. Yeah, look at it. Nail, this one's ruined, this one's ruined, and this one's ruined. Like, these are some ratchet nails, and so I gotta get them beautified before Easter. And then yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that. And yeah, I'm not gonna do driving because I have to lift my steering wheel anyway. But yeah, so I'm gonna get going. Yeah, so I'm on my way to my nail salon, and I'll check back with you guys. I also have to get my paycheck, and then I might go to the mall to see if I can get an outfit for Easter, but I don't know. I'm not even supposed to be out that much today. I'm supposed to be resting, but oh well. Anyways guys, I'll check back with you later. Hey guys, so I just got back from the nail salon. I got purple right here. So yeah, I got Easter colors. And now I'm on my way to get my paycheck, so I'll probably check in with you guys after I get my paycheck. Good morning, my love. So sorry that my lighting is orange. Actually, I'll go in the other room. But yeah, so last night I was a bad vlogger and forgot to vlog the rest of last night. But after the nail salon, I just picked up my check and then I went home. There's something I had to do and that was important. And then by the time I got done that, I just took a shower last night. So you guys didn't miss too much. I wanted to relax last night, but right now I'm about to straighten my hair because I'm about to film a tutorial for y'all. So yes, excuse, this is what I mean when I can't wear my natural hair, because this is my natural hair. When I let it air dry, it's just complete lion hair. I like to call it the lion. So my straightener is definitely called the Lion Tamer. And yes, I'm wearing a onesie because I was freezing last night. I had like the chills. So yeah, I'm about to straighten my hair for my tutorial because you guys obviously don't want to see this, but I took so late of a shower last night, and I don't know how to do braid. Like, my French braids never turn out good as my mom, so I was gonna have my mom do it, but by the time she got home last night, I was like, I am not staying up and waiting for her to do braids. So I was like, I'll just let it air dry and just straighten it, I guess, even though I'm trying to avoid using heat on it. Even though I'm trying to avoid using heat on it, like, I still have to use heat on it because obviously I can't wear my hair like this. And it's not oily, it's just like still a little bit wet, so don't worry that my hair is not greasy. It's just still a little wet from last night. So yeah, I'm gonna straighten my hair, film a tutorial, and then I'm gonna hang out with friends later today or tonight or whatever. But I'm not gonna vlog that because I don't know, I feel like they'll think I'm weird if I bring my camera. I mean, if funny things happen, then maybe I'll vlog that, but these type of people, I don't know if they'll be like comfortable with the camera. So yeah, like I said, certain friends I could vlog in front of, certain people I can't, and yeah, like people won't understand it. So yeah, I'm gonna go straighten my hair and film the tutorial. And that's probably it for today's vlog, honestly, unless I do something eventful before I go out with friends. But I think this is gonna be one long vlog of like my whole weekend. I don't know. I don't know if I'm filming tomorrow's stuff because I'll probably be out with friends all day. But you'll definitely have a vlog on Easter, like me vlogging on Easter, because there'll be family around and stuff. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna go straighten my hair, and yeah, I just got done filming my video. Don't worry, I did not wear this. I don't know why I'm so cold, but so yeah, sorry I'm wearing my Christmas type onesie, but I'm freezing. But yeah, I just got done filming. The tutorial turned out really, really good, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So yeah, so now I'm just chilling. I'm really cold. I kind of like I feel under the weather still. Yeah, I'm resting like I'm supposed to. But yeah, I'm like just super cold right now. I'm like tired and I have like cramps kind of, and I don't know why, because I don't know if, I mean, it might be coming, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna get going. I'll see you either later today or Sunday or maybe tomorrow. I don't know what my plans are tomorrow. But anyways, guys, I'll see you whenever. So today is Easter, so happy Easter. Sorry I look like a grease ball right now. I just moisturized and did all that, but I didn't show you that because I am going to do my skincare routine. Probably going to film that tonight, TBH, because I'm going to be wearing a lot of makeup, because if you can't tell, my face is like super red today. I don't know why. I think I'm starting to get sick, honestly, because my throat hurts, and where it's red on my face, it's like really hot, and my face is just really hot and warm, and I feel warm. So yeah, so happy Easter, and if you guys don't celebrate it, then sorry, but happy Easter. Yeah, I'm still wearing my Christmas jammies, by the way. Sorry. I'm just really, really cold, and this is like the only thing that's keeping me warm. That's the thing, like my face is hot, but my body's like cold. So that's why I think I'm getting sick too, because I'm cold, but I'm hot. But yeah, I'll show you what I got in my Easter basket. So this is my Easter basket. It's actually a new one, to be honest. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a new one. My other one that I've had since I was a baby finally like bit the dust, so my mom had to get me a new one. But what I got is just a Dunkin' Donuts gift card. This really good like Weight Watchers cake that my mom has, because she's on Weight Watchers, and I'm like obsessed with it because it's only like 100 calories, I think, and it's not that many points, even though I don't do Weight Watchers. But like honestly, best thing ever if you're looking for like low calorie and low carb, then this is the thing for you. And then she also got me these special K bars, which is honestly thebomb.com, because I love them. They're only like 50 calories for these, so again, healthier option for those people that like sweet tooths. These two things are really good because they're low calories, but you still satisfy as a sweet tooth. Yeah, the reason why I don't get candy in my thing, because I don't really like candy, and she knows if she would get it for me, I'm not gonna eat it, so that's why she got me things. I know the traditionals like candy in Easter baskets, but I'm not really a candy person, so that's why she got that stuff for me, because I'm not really a candy person, because I don't know, I'm just not. And so she didn't want to like waste her money on candy if I wasn't gonna eat it. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get ready. I'll show you, I'll probably do like a little makeup montage in here for you guys to see my makeup, me doing it. And then I'm gonna try to vlog when family's here if I don't feel awkward, but just know if I don't get any footage with my family, because my family's coming over, just means I like feel awkward and feel like stuff. But I'm definitely can't wait to put on makeup on, because this is so embarrassing, like how red my cheeks is. And it's not acne because there's no bumps, it's just literally just red, and my mom thinks it's because I'm getting sick, but I don't know. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get going and I'll show you the makeup. Getting ready, so yeah, my makeup, so now I'm going to probably take some pictures before people get here, and people should be here in like a half hour. Maybe I'll get some footage. I don't know if I'm gonna get some footage because I don't want it to be weird, but who knows, you might get some footage, I don't know, but I'll check with you guys. Alright, so here's my outfit. I'm wearing the skirt from Brandy Melville. The scarf is from, I think American Eagle. And then this is, so my scarf's from American Eagle. My crop top underneath is from Urban Outfitters. And my cardigan is also from Urban Outfitters. I am not filming in my room because it's kind of messy right now because there's some things I'm cleaning out my closet once again. And sorry for like the blankets in here, but this is my sister's room. You guys already know it's my sister's room. But yeah. Little man, these are not bells. You like that?
Here comes Peter Cottontail. You trying to sing? You trying to sing? Silly boy. Yeah, it sounds like you're saying that.
It's not Jingle Bells, I'm in Easter.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hop hop, licky that bunny go.
Hey guys, so family just left, and yeah, so basically the last clip you saw was my little cousin Miles. He's so cute. I didn't get the rest of the family in because, like I said, I didn't want anybody to think I was weird for filming them or anything. But yeah, we just all like sat and talked and played games and stuff. Yeah, and I just hung out with my little cousins and my older cousins, and it was just a fun time. And I hope you enjoy those clips of Miles because he's honestly the most adorable baby. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here because there's nothing like really else eventful happening tonight, and I gotta go film Thursday's video anyway, so I need to end the vlog here. But I hope you guys have an amazing Easter, or if you don't celebrate Easter, I hope you had an amazing day. But I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.